Hello everyone, this is Luma Slow English. A beautiful day. I wake up early. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. The world feels right. I stretch and smile. I start my day. The birds are singing. I hear them play. I eat my breakfast, a cup of tea. I feel the sunshine smile at me. I take a walk. I breathe the air. The trees are dancing everywhere. The flowers bloom. The grass is green. This is the nicest day I've seen. I see a cat. It walks so slow. It stops to watch the wind that blows. The clouds are soft. They move above. This day is full of peace and love. I close my eyes. I breathe in deep. I thank this world before I sleep. See you next time.